What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the blog. So before we begin, I would like you to please hit the thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe as well. So what we're actually going to do today is clean the headlights. This is actually a very easy task and it doesn't require a lot of work. So what you're going to need today is this multi-purpose tool. It's called WD-40. The link to this is actually in the description, and it's actually a multi-purpose tool. It actually polishes the headlights, gives it a better look, and it can be used in many different ways as well. So before we actually perform this entire task, you're going to need this absorber cloth and some soapy water to wash off the dirt that's currently on your lights before you actually shine your lights and give it a better look. Remember what I said? All the links to these products are actually in the description. So once you're done, you can actually hop into the description, take a look and see what you like. Let's just hop in and see what happens. So as you can see, the headlights are actually clean. Actually looks much cleaner. You can't see any dirt or any dust on it. It actually feels a little smoother as well. So this actually works. WD-40 actually works, guys. If you take a look at the M Sport caps, these actually give a much more aggressive look and actually adds to the look of the car. The links to these are actually in the description. You can also have a look at that in the description as well. Thank you.